Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your birthday on Instagram. Just follow my all steps without skipping. First of all, click on Instagram application. Click on profiles. Now click on three horizontal line. Click on account center. Now click on profiles. Scroll down. Now click on date of birth. Click on edit. Again click on date of birth. Change your birthday here. Now click on set. Click on save. If you click on save, your birthday will be saved. Viewers, if you think that this video is useful for you, please subscribe my channel.